All right, so let's go to generators, select elements, shapes. The default is circle. You can certainly select whichever shape that you'd like to in this case. I'm gonna stick with circle. I'd like to make a circle cam in my tutorial video. Gonna make sure that that matches the length of the video where it's basically the talking head that I wanna turn in to this cool, neat circle cam. And then the on-screen tutorial, is happening. So I just did an option click drag up to get both of them. Okay, now I'm gonna go over to the video inspector. We wanna select stencil alpha. Now in the generator inspector, okay, we wanna go over and double check the settings. We're gonna turn off outline, uncheck that. Drop shadow opacity 0%. Good to go there. All right, now we're gonna go up and to the top circle. We're checking the settings here. We wanna turn off fill. We're gonna leave outline. The color and width, that can be changed as you please. I'm gonna stick with red. Drop shadow opacity 0%. Coming out of there, we wanna leave the blend mode, in this case, to normal. You scrub through and kind of check it out. All right, cool, we're making it happen. All right, now we wanna double check the scale. We're gonna transform the video where the circle cam is. And I set it to 77%. We could certainly play with that. And we make a compound clip here. You name the compound clip, Ron, Live, AI, BB, Dash, or whatever it is, 6. I'm gonna put it in my organized structure system here, compound clips. I'm gonna save that. Awesome, good to go. All right, so we've got the compound clip. We're well on our way to having a really cool circle cam. I wanna make a transformation here. So I need to set this where I would like it on the screen. I'm gonna go to scale. Let's maybe do 26.98. Should work. I just know the numbers. I mean, I've done a lot of these kind of videos. So let's do position. We'll start with 840.5 on the X. For the Y, we'll start with 358.3. These things are going to be different based on the videos. Okay, we'll check that out. Really based on the video that you're doing, the tutorial how-to video, you might have to have the circle cam in different spots, circle cam, square cam, left, right, bottom, top. I mean, it's all really preference, but the big thing is you want to make sure that you're not getting in the way of what you're trying to show to people. I mean, that's going to be really important. Okay, transform. We're going to move that a little bit. I'm just using the mouse to move it around. That can be super helpful. You're not going to know the settings until you do it a whole bunch and save different templates or variations. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So I just moved it around a little bit to, okay. And I could write down those settings, but that's typically how you're gonna do these kind of things. So yeah, that's it in a nutshell. That's how you can make a circle cam or any kind of shape element, camera, cool thing in Final Cut Pro. Awesome, thanks everybody. We'll see you later. Bye.